Judson ISD hosted its inaugural Operation Dog Tags football game. The event kicked off with a hosted meet and greet dinner. Wagner High School football players met with veterans in our community to reveal our dedicated red, white, and blue jerseys with the veteran's name on it. This is a simple token of our appreciation to veterans who served our country, says 𝐓𝐡𝐞, Executive Director of Athletics. What these men and women have sacrificed for us is invaluable. We want to ensure that our Judson ISD community knows the district is a loyal supporter of our military families. The veterans were then presented with a specialized nameplate at the inaugural Operation Dog Tag football game. Throughout the game, attendees were able to donate to Homes for Heroes, an organization committed to providing easy ways for veterans to save on a home. This new tradition will continue with each high school hosting Operation Dog Tag for the years to come. Judson High School will host the event in 2023, followed by Veterans Memorial High School in 2024.